Hello guys, today we are discussing introduction of computer network. The network is a set of devices often referred as nodes connected by a communication links. A node can be a computer, printer or any other device capable of sending or receiving data generated by other node on the network. A link can be a cable, air, optical fiber, or any other medium which can transport a signal carrying information. Network criteria. First one is the performance. It depends on network elements measured in terms of delay and throughput. Second one is the reliability, failure rate of a network component measured in terms of availability. Third term is the security, data protection against the loss of data due to error or miscellaneous user. Next, the physical structure. First one is the type of connection. In type of connection, there are two types. First one is the point to point. We can also say that peer to peer network, and second one is the client server network. In point to point network, single transmitter and receiver. In client server network, multiple receptionists of single transmission. In physical topology, connection of devices, type of transmission is unicast, multicast, or first, the type of connection is point to point and client server. The figure A show point to point connect network and second one is the client server network. In point to point network, peer to peer network is a network in which all computers are linked together with equal privilege and responsibility for processing the data. Point to point network is useful for small environment, usually up to 10 computers. In point to point network has no dedicated server. Special permission are assigned to each computer for sharing the resources, but this can lead to a problem if computer with the resources is down. Second one is the client server. In client server network is a network model designed for end user called client to access the resources such as songs, videos, etc. from a central computer known as server. The central controller is known as server while all other computers in the network are called client. We can see that there are three clients. One is the laptop, second one is the mobile phone, and third one is the system, and one server. The server performs all major operations such as security and network management. A server is responsible for managing all the resources such as files, directories, printer, etc. All the clients communicate with each other through a server. For example, if client 1 want to send some data to client 2, then it first send a request to the server for the permission. The server send the response to the client 1 to initiate its communication with client 2. Next, we are discussing advantages and disadvantages of point to point network. First one, it is less costly as it does not contain any dedicated server. Second one, if one computer stop working but other computer will not stop working. Third one, it is easy to set up and maintain as each computer manages itself. Disadvantages are in case of point to point network, it does not contain centralized system, therefore it cannot back up the data as the data is different in different location. It has a security issue as device is managed itself. Now we are discussing the advantages of client server network. A client server network contains the centralized system, therefore we can back up the data easily. The client server network has a dedicated server that improves the overall performance of the whole system. Security is better in client server network as a server administrator share the resources. It also increases the speed of the sharing resources. Now, disadvantage of client server network is in client server network is expensive as it requires the server with large memory. A client server network has a network operating system to provide the resource to the client, but the cost of the network operating system is very high. It requires a dedicated network administrator to manage all the resources. Thank you.